Alrighty, what we got here is the 4070 Ti Super, which is a dumb name, but it is what it is. This is going to be going in my editing slash desktop slash trading slash whatever multi-purpose rig that I use for doing a bunch of different stuff. It's an ASUS TUF in white because my whole build is white and I just needed a white card. I was looking at different like 3090s and 4090s and 4080s and all kinds of stuff, and I like decided, you know what, screw it, I don't need anything that high end. So I decided on something a little bit less expensive. So I decided on this. Just have it at my dog's crate because my table is full with crap from other stuff. So it's just on top of my crate, get disassembled. So open up the box. There she be. You got your splitter cable in here. And I guess books and manuals and whatnot are in there. Get it out of the so there is the card, and it's a pretty beefy son of a bitch, pretty damn thick and girthy. Oh, just a single 12 pin or whatever the hell they have on there now, splitting off into dual 8s. As you can see, this guy. This may be a stand to help prop the son of a bitch up because it's so damn big. We'll see what that is. But yeah, I like it. So far it's nice. See how it performs. Cool, tons of space in there. Oh, good God. Coolers are ridiculous. But check out the back. So let's go take a look at the rig it's going in. That is the rig it's going in. It's a 3700X CPU, 64 gigs of Corsair RAM. Currently, there's a Gigabyte 2070 Super in there. It's got, I don't know, 2 terabyte NVMe. This Corsair cooler was mounted back in here, but I took it off when I did buy that one used 3090, but it wasn't fully operational, so I ended up returning it. So now I'm going to be installing the 4070 Super. And that bastard is a big ass card, so it's probably a good inch or two longer than here. So I may have to relocate this, because I don't know if this is going to work there. So I'll have to figure something out with that. But I'm going to get messing around with it and see how she works. Alrighty, there she is, all installed. 4070 Ti Super, which is a dumb name, like everybody says, but it is what it is. That's what NVIDIA chose, so that's what we're going with. But it's the ASUS TUF, and it actually got tiny little bit of room to squeeze the AIO cooler in there and mount it against the side. But the good thing is now I have this Gigabyte 2070 Super will be my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. So I'm going to give this thing away once I hit 1,000 subs. We're at about 850 right now or so, somewhere around there, 849. But I will give this away. I'm guessing probably worldwide. I'm going to cap the shipping at like $100 or so. So if the shipping goes over 100, I won't be able to do it. But if it's like within $100, I'll give it away to a subscriber. I'll figure out what I'm going to do for the contest. I'll clean it up, blow it out. Hasn't really been used that much. Wasn't really mined on or gamed on or anything. It's pretty much just some editing and things like that. So I look forward to an upcoming video once I hit 1,000 subs. The goal is to hit that number by March, hopefully sooner. But if you're not already subscribed, like and subscribe to this video, and we'll see you in the giveaway.